your Solo Stove. We make lightweight, super efficient camping stoves that run on the natural resources around you, like twigs and sticks. In 2011, we created the original Solo Stove, a 9-ounce, super efficient backpacking stove that can boil a pot of water with literally a handful of sticks. We also created a number of accessories to go along with it. We have been blown away by all the positive response. People all around the world love the Solo Stove. The Solo Stove is a great stove for 1 or 2 people, but we had a lot of customers asking us for a larger stove. So, in 2013, we created the Solo Stove Titan, a larger Solo Stove that can be used for you and your friends. Still, our customers wanted an even larger Solo Stove. We heard your requests, and that's why we're creating our largest stove yet, the Solo Stove Campfire. The Campfire uses the same design and technology as the original patented Solo Stove, but it's bigger. Don't worry though, it's still super efficient and weighs only 2 pounds. It's made out of premium stainless steel, and our one-piece construction ensures durability and quality. The Campfire is a perfect stove that your entire group of friends or whole family can enjoy at the same time.
The Mod Stove's a complete redesign of what a portable stove can be. Because it's modular, you can customize it for whatever type of adventure you will be taking on, whether a weekend trip in the mountains or hot dogs in the backyard. There's no limit to the places you can take it because it's compatible with many different types of fuel. The base of the stove has been designed to work with solid fuel tablets and spirit burners. The Mod Stove is extremely portable and can be stored almost anywhere. Setup is quick and simple, and you'll be cooking dinner in a matter of minutes. Disassembly of the stove is just as easy, with all the essentials fitting inside and room to spare. There's no worry if you're in a location where you can't find any sticks or branches, because you can use many different types of fuel. Wood burns so efficiently in the Mod Stove that with only a handful of twigs, you'll have a very hot fire that leaves almost nothing behind, which also reduces pollutants released into the atmosphere. The Mod Stove is made from stainless steel with a rock-solid design that is built to last a lifetime. After months of prototyping, the design is complete. No matter where you plan to take your stove, it's tough enough to keep up.
So as always, the firebox just opens up into position. You don't have to do any assembly at all. We've added this expansion chamber that absorbs the expansion of this centerpiece, and it reduces warpage. We've changed to larger holes, and we've made sure to have a center hole to feed the center of that Swedish fire torch. So you can open it all the way up for free, full flow of air, or you can close it down to slow down the speed of your fire or the temperature of your fire. Your Trangia alcohol burner in this highest position. This creates that 1-inch headspace between the jets and the bottom of your pot. So now you can cook with gas with the folding firebox stove. So you run your gas line down in, and then this just snaps into position. We've also added the cross-feed fuel delivery system. This creates a very efficient fire and makes it very easy to control cooking temperatures. Now I've also increased the depth of these notches to improve our horizontal baking position. So here I have the Zebra loop-handled pot. Now this one is equipped with our stainless steel spring wire clips that allow the use of the handle as an oven door latch. Fueling the stove with this Swedish fire torch setup is really great for big jobs. I have almost 3 quarts of water here. Now look at that flame. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Okay, I think we have a boil here. I'm going to go ahead and check it. And yes, we're starting to boil, so I'm going to go ahead and drop in my corn. And then once this corn is cooked, I'm just going to go ahead and keep boiling water just to see how many pots of water I can boil with this single load of fuel. Okay, there's our second pot of water boiling. Okay, I wasn't quite able to bring that third pot of water to a boil, but it is fairly hot. But now I want to go ahead and use these hot coals. Now that the flame is gone, I want to use these hot coals to grill a steak. So I'm going to go ahead and use this optional set of fire sticks, this optional second set of fire sticks, to put my grill plate on. There we go. Wow, that's looking beautiful. Okay, now I want to go ahead and transition into my baking project, but I'm going to steal some of these hot coals out of here, and I'll show you why here in just a second. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my pot in its horizontal baking position. This will give us a little bit of heat on the top side of our oven. This will give us just a little bit of flame and help us get this oven preheated a little bit faster. Okay, you can see that that certainly turned up the heat. I'm going to go ahead and put my rolls in. Take off my oven door. Put my oven door back on. And we're baking. Let's check our rolls. Oh wow, they look great. Let me see if I can get them out of here. Oh yeah, those turned out really nice. I've been able to keep it nice and warm here with this radiant heat of the firebox. And I'm also going to put some butter on the tops of these rolls. And get it in one piece. Oh wow, woo, they're hot. Wow, look at those rolls. That really turned out nice. Look at that meal. Wow, that's going to be delicious. Wow.
Introducing BioLite Basecamp. Complete cooking, grilling, and charging for groups.
Hi, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Alec.
We're the founders of BioLite and co-creators of our core technology found in the camp stove, home stove, and now in the Basecamp stove.
Here's how it works.
The Basecamp converts heat from the fire into usable electricity via a thermoelectric generator housed within the orange power pack. This powers a fan that blows air back into the burn chamber for improved combustion. The surplus electricity is then sent to a USB port, allowing you to charge your devices. Over the past year, a brilliant team of engineers and designers have been working on this new product to deliver you a unique, fun, and most importantly, high-performance experience. Incorporating thoughtful feedback from our camp stove users, we've made a series of updates and improvements that we can't wait to get out to you. Here's what the team's been up to. We updated the power pack so that it generates 5 watts and stores power. We also built a smart dashboard that allows users to easily see how hot the fire is and how much electricity is being generated. We increased the size of the cooktop to accommodate larger groups. And we developed a dual-purpose cooking surface with a one-touch grill-to-boil lever, transforming the flame to meet different cooking needs at the flip of a switch. We added folding legs for adjustable cooking height and a bucket handle for easy portability. And we're including a flexible USB light to aid in nighttime or low-light conditions. It always helps to see what you're cooking.